Hello everyone and welcome again to this new View episode where we are going to continue to study and review about the Python object-oriented programming, and this time we are going to focus on the Dender or the magic method. It's a special method, and today we are going to specially working on one method, which is the init method. So let's start a little bit with the Dender or the magic method shape. So usually it's two underscore, the name of the method, and then another two underscores. And those methods are a predefined method coming from the object method. So they are special one that already predefined. But you still can redefine them, and we will see it in this video and also in the next video. So let's go today and understand this Dender init method. So as you can see here, declaring in the method is exactly same as the other one. So let's go. It's usually immediately after the class variable, and we come here and we put def as usual and init like this. So the computer already recognizes it because it's a standard method. And what we put here, let's start with a self, and then let's go and put a pass. So this method, the init, is kind of the object constructor. This is a special one, and let's try now, instead of doing the same thing here for initializing the object and then giving the attributes one after the other, what we can do is we can put here, after self, we put title, and after that authors, like this. And we have seen also, we added here the rating, okay, rating. And as we have seen in the previous episodes, we can here put self dot authors, title. Let's start with title is equal to title. And after that, self dot authors, like this, will be equal to the variable authors, and we will see later on how this will be working. And finally, self.rating will be equal to rating, like this. And let's also add, I think that's enough for the moment. So now let's save, and if we run this one, look what happens. So if I go and in the command line and go for the Python and then try to run the 3-shift, I immediately have an error and saying that the init is missing 3 required additional argument, title, authors, and rating. And this is happening in the line 38 here. So something become wrong with my initialization of the object or the instance. So now what we can put immediately, so we can put this one directly here. So by adding this one here, so let's add this one here. And after that, also put the name of the authors here. And finally add the rating. Let's put 4 for this time. And let's delete this. And also we add for the book 2, the 7 habit book, and we add this one here, and the rating, let's put also 4, same for the start. We can delete all this one now, and we are good. So let's save here, and also let's comment all this one like this, just to see that the code is now working. So let's go here, save here, and clear the console and run it again. So you can see now the program is running without any issue. So let's print some of the instances and see how this initialize. So if we go for authors, for example, like this, and we check also for the book 2, and we can check not the authors but the title. You can see that the VS Code now is automatically proposing this attribute because this attribute has been declared in the class, and which is extremely helpful here to quickly write and type the code. So let's save and run it. So we do have everything here working properly. And finally, if I try to check this one again and I run my code, you can see that the code is working properly. So what this init, the dunder init method is doing is just initializing or constructing our first instance by putting everything here. So it makes things easier and we don't need to repeat ourselves. So that was the dunder method, which is for the init, which is a constructor and really a special case in the special methods. And in the next video, we will take a look on more other methods, special methods, and we see how we can use them to enjoy more working with an object. Thank you and see you soon.